Thawing Winds, Understanding a Poetic Phrase. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, thawing winds. This phrase is not only picturesque but also holds deep meaning in the English language. So, let's dive into the world of language and discover the beauty and depth of this expression. Thawing winds is a phrase that combines two words, thawing and winds. Thawing refers to the process of something frozen, like ice or snow, melting. It's often used to describe a change in weather from cold to warmer temperatures. On the other hand, winds are the natural movement of air. When put together, thawing winds symbolizes a change, often signaling the end of a cold, harsh period and the beginning of a warmer, more hopeful time. This phrase is often used in a metaphorical sense. It can describe not just physical changes in weather but also emotional, social, or political changes. For instance, if a country is emerging from a period of difficulty, one might say, "The thawing winds of change are blowing through the nation." This implies a positive, hopeful transition from a difficult period. Thawing winds is a favorite in literature and poetry, often used to evoke imagery and emotion. For example, a poet might write, "The thawing winds of spring brought new life to the barren lands," to describe the rejuvenation of nature. It's also used in speeches and writings to illustrate a change in attitude or the beginning of a new era. When using thawing winds, it's important to understand its symbolic nature. It's best used to describe significant changes or transitions, especially those that bring about positive outcomes. You can use it in both formal and informal contexts, but it's particularly effective in creative writing or when trying to evoke imagery and emotion. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the beauty and depth of the phrase, thawing winds. It's a wonderful example of how language can be used to paint pictures and convey deep meanings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they evoke. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.